All right, it is Saturday, June 6th, 2020 at 12:33 a.m. So it's already Saturday, guys. And let's take a look quickly here at the National Hurricane Center. Taking a look here at Cristobal. Tropical Storm Cristobal has a maximum sustained winds of 40 knots or 45 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 998 millibars. So it has become a little bit stronger than the last time I saw it. It was 1,000 millibars, now it's 998. Located at 22.7 north, 90.1 west, movement north at 12 knots at 14 miles an hour. Alright, guys, so let's take a look here. Cristobal, it says damaging and deadly flooding has already occurred in portions of Mexico and Central America. Cristobal is expected to produce additional extreme rainfall amounts for another day or so. The heaviest additional rainfall is expected over southern Mexico and portions of the Yucatan Peninsula, while also extending along the Pacific coast from Chiapas to Guatemala and El Salvador. This rainfall could cause widespread, life-threatening flash floods and mudslides. Refer to products from your local weather office for more information. And number two, there's also danger of life-threatening storm surge outside of the hurricane and storm damage risk reduction system from the mouth of the Mississippi River to Ocean Springs, Mississippi, and a storm surge warning is in effect for those areas. Life-threatening storm surge remains possible along the Florida Big Bend and other portions of the southern and southeastern Louisiana, where a storm surge watch is in effect. Residents in these locations should follow advice given by the local emergency officials. And number three, tropical storm force winds are expected by late Saturday night. So by late Saturday night, there's supposed to be already tropical storm force winds reaching the shoreline. It is already on the way. The storm is heading towards across the Gulf towards the Florida, Louisiana panhandle area. It says tropical storm force winds are expected by late Saturday night along the northern Gulf across the coast of southern Louisiana to the western Florida panhandle, including metropolitan New Orleans, and a tropical storm warning is in effect for this area. These winds will arrive well in advance of and extend well east of Cristobal's center. Heavy rainfall will spread into portions of the Gulf Coast from East Texas to Florida this weekend into early next week, with areas of flash flooding. Significant flooding will be possible on smaller tributaries, especially where the heavy rainfalls occurs over portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. Alright, let's take a look here at the map. This is the Coastal Watches Warning and Forecast cone for a storm center. It will be a storm all the way through as it reaches inland and it reaches over Louisiana and Arkansas, and then it will become a depression as it weakens over land and it reaches into Arkansas, Illinois, as it reaches in there at 7 p.m. and 7 p.m. on Tuesday. But let's take a look at what's happening now. Right now it's a storm and it's heading in to the middle of the Gulf by 7 p.m. on Saturday and 7 a.m. on Sunday, as it reaches the coastline of Louisiana at 7 p.m. on Sunday. So it's pretty much already Saturday at 12:37 a.m. and it's I'm going to show you in a second. It's already reaching close to the Florida coastline and Louisiana coastline. All right, let's take a look here at what I'm talking about. This is Cristobal already in the middle of the Gulf, headed right for Florida and right for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. So it's pretty much heading already on its way. Parts of it are still affecting the Yucatan Peninsula and parts of Cuba now, and then it's going to go in, and some rainfall is already over the Keys of Florida and parts of Florida. As it's coming in, it's going to bring a lot of rain. Alright, let's take a look. These are the water temperatures for that area. 82 in the middle of the Gulf, and 84, 82, and 83 as it reaches the Florida coastline. So it's going to be getting into warmer waters, which will be more fuel for the storm itself. We have here on the National Weather Service, the coastline has tropical storm warning, high wind warning, special maritime watch warning, severe thunderstorm warning, tropical storm warning. So pretty much just the whole coastline from Louisiana, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, just getting, and the Keys of Florida. It must be an alert because the storm's coming in. Here's some tracking on Tropical Storm Cristobal model track guidance of where it's gonna go in. It's supposedly gonna go in. These trackings show above Louisiana, but the way the rain is let me show you again. The way the rain is so large, it's bringing rain across to parts of Florida, and parts of Louisiana are gonna be covered, and Alabama, Mississippi. All right. Let's take a look here. This is the experimental peak storm surge forecast graphic. As you see here, parts of Louisiana, Morgan City, 2 to 4 feet in storm surge, 3 to 5 feet in Ocean Springs, 1 to 3 feet as it reaches the Alabama, between 3 to 5 feet Alabama Mississippi coastline, 1 to 3 feet as it reaches the Panhandle of Florida, and 2 to 4 feet as it reaches the Big Bend in the Florida area. 1 to 3 feet by the Tampa Bay area, all the way to Marco Island. Alright, and here is some radar showing already the rain bands coming into the Florida area. So this already saturated ground, it's only gonna be more rain, and it's gonna be causing possibility of flooding, so that's what we're gonna keep an eye on. Here is windymap.com, and it's going to show you how, as it comes onshore, what it looks like. As you see here, it's getting closer to the coastline. And this is Saturday, 6 to 9 p.m. It's already going to be getting close to making land. The northeastern quadrant is going to be the strongest, full of rain. It's going to be hitting the shore around Sunday, 7 a.m. And then the center of Cristobal is going to be reaching into New Orleans and heading the coast and bringing lots and lots of rain, as you see there. Alright, guys. So that's it. Just showing you the map area as it reaches inland, and what it's going to look like, bringing lots of rain all the way from Louisiana. It's going to be covering some parts of Texas, but not that many on the eastern side of Texas. Parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. So this is a rainmaker. So be prepared. We got to be prepared for hurricane season, as I've been telling you guys for the past couple of days. So being prepared means now. So if you have to go to the store to get yourself candles, sandbags in case of flooding, if you live along the coastline, storm surge is going to be an issue, and flooding. So that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more news on and more updates. See you guys next time. Stay safe and God bless.